Hey there, folks. Let's do today's CSS Daily Target, CSS Battle Daily Target. What a neat shape. This is a neat shape. Okay, what do we got here? I definitely am feeling here like all of this can be done in a background on the body. That's what I think. So we have lots of different layers here, eh? And so what are those layers? Okay, here let's do the hardest part is the red part, right? I think. Yeah, I think that the hardest part is the red part. So let's do it's a radial. Let's start. We'll start with circles. So the radial gradient circle, and then the red color. We're just going to take a guess and say it's 40 pixels. It's probably wrong. That's okay. All right. So let's get that size, and I'm going to put the brown color in the background. Okay, or whatever that color is. So it's at a background position, right? So let's try and center that circle. I think that's centered on that circle. So it's bigger radius, 50, 60. That's number one. And then we need another one, right? So that means we can make a variable of this first circle. We'll call it --c, and that makes this var --c. To do another one, separate with a comma and a positive x. So then, well, I mean, now we need something on top of it. Two somethings, really. I think it's a linear gradient and a radial gradient. So radial gradient, so probably very similar radial gradient, actually. It's got the same outer, circumference, outer radius, same outer radius. Separate with a comma. And it's got a hollow circle, so transparent in the middle. Let's say 20 pixels worth, comma. And it needs to, so yeah, transparent in the middle, and then the brown color to cover up. There you go. And we need a color stop there, color stop. And this doesn't need an initial color stop other than an initial radius. So make that 40, 40. No, how about 30? There it is. And so the last thing we need is a linear gradient that goes side to side. Transparent, and then the brown color, and then transparent. And right now that's in the wrong direction, so I need to switch it to be coming 90 degrees. I can, so let's do the sizing there. 180 pixels maybe, 0, 220 pixels, 0. That's a guess. Oh, so yeah, that's too much. So we need to go in, subtract and add 10. Yeah. And that will do it. So let's submit that and see if we have a solution that will get us to 100% with the backend servers. They run Chromium on the backend, Chromium browser to show this. I'm doing this in Safari, but that's just my habit. When you do it in whatever browser you like. And again, a reminder that I do these for fun. It is, making web pages is fun. When I share these videos, I'm not trying to get the absolute best score. That's fine. just have fun with the gradients. So no elements other than the HTML element and the body element, and we're only applying styles to the body element in this case. I'm going to use my plugins that are available on GitHub to minify and unit replace. And you could do, for this linear gradient that's coming in from the side, you could do 2 left and get the same result. And you could also do 2 right and get the same result. And we use 90 degrees because it's simpler. Sometimes I guess we could do 270 as well. Yeah, you could do 270. Any of those work. That's fine. Yeah, that's it. What else? Is there anything else? Other optimizations we might make here. None that I can currently think of, but that's okay. Hope you're having a great day. It is rough out there, everybody. Really rough. So be good to each other. Fight for what's right. And have a great day. Bye-bye.